Looking to diversify your income streams and achieve financial independence, exploring passive income ideas can be a smart strategy. From investments to online ventures, there are numerous avenues to explore. In this video, we'll delve into 7 passive income ideas that offer the potential to bolster your earnings and build wealth over time. Let's explore how you can harness the power of passive income to achieve your financial goals. Number 7. Rent out your spaces and possessions. Your available space might encompass various areas, ranging from a spare room to a garage, or even your driveway or parking spot, especially if you reside near a city center or event venue. Online platforms have streamlined the process of renting out not only space, but also a plethora of other items. From bicycles to vintage or designer clothing and accessories, these platforms offer a convenient avenue for individuals to monetize their belongings. By leveraging the sharing economy, people can unlock the earning potential of underutilized assets, while simultaneously providing value to those in need of temporary accommodations or unique items. This trend reflects a shift towards a more sustainable and efficient use of resources, where individuals can maximize the utility of their possessions and contribute to a more interconnected and collaborative society. Have you considered renting out any unused space or belongings to generate passive income? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Number 6. Start a blog. Having a unique or specialized area of expertise can be leveraged to generate revenue through blogging. With numerous platforms available, creating a blog has become more accessible than ever. As your site attracts traffic, various monetization opportunities arise, such as selling ad space, hosting sponsored content, collaborating with brands, or participating in affiliate programs with major companies. However, competition in the blogosphere is fierce, making it essential to maintain fresh and regularly updated content to sustain and increase traffic. By consistently providing valuable and engaging content, bloggers can establish themselves as authoritative voices in their niche and attract a loyal audience, thereby maximizing their earning potential through their blog. Number 5. Start a video channel. For those seeking to showcase their skills visually, leveraging a video sharing platform is an ideal choice. With the ubiquity of smartphones equipped with high-quality cameras, creating engaging video content has never been easier. Keeping your content fresh and up-to-date is crucial for maintaining viewer interest. If your videos attract a substantial daily viewership, you may explore opportunities to monetize your content through advertising slots or sponsorship deals. Additionally, standing out in a niche with less saturated content can bolster your visibility. How-to guides in particular tend to resonate well with audiences, especially when approached from a unique perspective. By tapping into popular topics and presenting them in innovative ways, you can captivate viewers and establish a compelling presence on the platform. Number 4. Publish your stories and sell your photographs. For aspiring writers or photographers seeking to monetize their passions, online self-publishing platforms and stock image websites offer accessible avenues. Through self-publishing platforms such as Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, or Smashwords, writers can share their work with a global audience without the need for traditional publishing channels. Similarly, photographers can leverage stock image websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock to showcase their portfolios and earn royalties whenever their images are licensed for use. While neither path guarantees instant wealth, they present opportunities for generating passive income from endeavors that writers and photographers already enjoy. Whether it's earning royalties from book sales or licensing fees from stock image downloads, these platforms enable creators to capitalize on their creative output. Moreover, the potential for residual income allows individuals to supplement their earnings over time, making self-publishing and stock photography viable options for those seeking additional streams of revenue. Do you have a hidden talent or passion that you could potentially turn into a source of passive income? Number 3. Invest in the stock market. Investing typically requires an initial financial commitment, and seeking professional guidance can help determine the most suitable investment vehicle, ranging from a stocks and shares ISA to a passive investment fund. However, with patience and a long-term outlook, investing presents an opportunity to generate passive income. By strategically allocating funds into diverse investment avenues, individuals can potentially reap rewards over time. While the journey may involve fluctuations and market uncertainties, maintaining a steadfast commitment to long-term goals can yield fruitful results. Investing serves as a means to cultivate wealth and establish a source of passive income, providing financial security and opportunities for growth in the future. With careful planning, diligence, and the right guidance, investing offers a pathway to build a sustainable stream of income that can support one's financial aspirations and enhance overall financial well-being. Number 2. Buy property. While purchasing a property for rental purposes may not be feasible for everyone, it often provides a steady stream of monthly rental income. However, becoming a landlord entails various responsibilities and expenses, and the attractiveness of buy-to-let mortgages diminishes when interest rates are high. Fortunately, there are alternative avenues for property investment, such as investment funds that specialize in commercial premises. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to seek financial advice to assess the potential risks and rewards associated with each option. This ensures that you make informed choices aligned with your financial goals and circumstances. Whether you opt for traditional buy-to-let properties or explore alternative investment strategies, careful consideration and professional guidance can help maximize the returns on your property investments. What other factors do you consider crucial when evaluating a potential property investment for passive income? Number 1. Create an online course. Leveraging your professional qualifications or expertise in a specialized field can pave the way for a lucrative opportunity. Creating digital courses for interested individuals to purchase. Regardless of your skill set, online courses serve as a popular avenue for generating income, with user-friendly platforms available to host and monetize your content. These platforms offer payment structures that reward you whenever someone subscribes to your course. When developing your digital course series, you have the flexibility to choose the format that best suits your expertise and preferences. Whether you opt to pre-record instructional videos or curate a blend of written, visual, or audio content, the key is to deliver valuable insights and actionable knowledge to your audience. By packaging your expertise into digestible and engaging course materials, you not only provide tangible value to your subscribers, but also position yourself as a trusted authority in your field. In doing so, you unlock the potential to generate passive income while sharing your expertise with a global audience eager to learn from your insights. Which format do you think you'd be most comfortable creating content in? Why? Let us know in the comments section below. Also subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos like this and much more. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.